Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Same top kasi same day, diba? If you remember, diba, yung episode natin before this was us cooking different mushrooms. So ngayon na ito na yon, if you look at it, close up lang natin. Ito yung shiitake, yung enoki, shimeji, diba? So ibig sabihin maraming natira, we can eat it as appetizer. And remember, as I promised, sabi ko, how can we extend this sa iba't ibang uses? So, nakakuha ako ng ating iceberg lettuce. So, ito naman, para siyang isang Chinese restaurant. They serve this, tapos may secret sauce. I'm sure alam niyo yung restaurant eh. Hindi ko alam, naman demanda nila ako pag binanggit ko. But, you know, masarap yung kanilang baked bun nila. Yung may laman sa loob. Anyway, they have that dish there, no? Yung kung say made parang asado bun. Diba? Yun yung specialty ng restaurant. Gets nyo na. So anyway, in that restaurant, yung favorite na parati namin in-order pag kumakain kayo doon is yung iceberg lettuce na may secret sauce. Kaya nga secret, di natin alam yung secret sauce. So, basically, this is us trying to mimic it, no? So, hang on ka lang dyan, sandali. So, basically, what they do is really high heat of wok, no? Yan siya. Ang lettuce kasi, I mean, this particular, the iceberg lettuce, siguro tatanungin nyo, will it work if it's another kind of lettuce? Parang feeling ko, it might not. Because parang iceberg has that extra crunch, no? So that's what we're trying to mimic. Tapos I'm trying to take out all the brown spots. Halatang kakakulan lang, ano? If you notice. Alam ko may konting brown pero sayang. Malutuin ko na rin. So, you know, this kind of dish doesn't keep well. Ibig sabihin, after natin isote, you have to eat it, no? Hindi mo pwedeng ilagay sa ref at matitira and kakainin mo, no? So, there. Maybe I'll just do one. Let me just change this. And then, I'm just gonna add a little bit of nuts. This is just my variation to that restaurant, no? So, it's not exactly the same, but somehow, it's my version of it, no? When you try it, yung sauce doon na ginagamit nila, hindi siya masyadong thick, no? Pero yung akin, just gonna put some nuts. And then, I'm gonna mix it with some, that shimeji mushrooms, no? So this, that will go with our dish. Then, the green onions. Okay, this one. About half a cup. Half a cup of water. I'm gonna mix it with that. And I'm just gonna mix it with the oyster sauce. Para hindi siya ganun ka-tapan. Kasi nga, like what I said, tinry ko lang inimik yung sa restaurant na yon. And as I recall, in that restaurant, hindi masyadong thick, no, yung sauce. And based sa color, hindi pa pareho yung sauce. Na-base ko lang siya sa color. We're gonna add sesame seeds. Yan. Yan. And sauce. Seasoned soy sauce for dumpling. Basically, it's soy sauce with sesame oil. There. Last na. Just about a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it all up. Okay. Now, you want everything as close as possible to the pan because everything's just gonna happen so fast. So, let's go! Chop, chop! Let's go! So, this one needs to be very hot. And then, I will use our shimeji. So, our pang-syalang, yun naman yan. Syalan, diba? Tapos, lalagyan ko na siya ng pepper. Okay. Has to be very hot. And then here, remember we had our shimeji, diba? The mushrooms from the last episode. So I'm mixing it all up. Kasi sayang naman. So this one, we want it to be really hot. Because the minute we put the lettuce, bigla siyang magsisizzle. So again, review natin ha. It was about 1/4 cup of oyster sauce, half cup of water, tapos it was about 2 tablespoons sesame oil with soy sauce. So, yun lang siya. And a teaspoon of sugar. Then, bibilisan ko to. I will quickly fry it. Add our nuts. quickly stir fry it. So it's not really gonna be fully cooked because gusto ko pa matikman yung crunch ng ating lettuce. And then, mix it up. Yun. And that's it. We want a quick stir fry. As in, ganun kabilis. So now, actually our lettuce with shimeji mushrooms and our secret sauce. Kasi sabi dun secret sauce eh. Hindi naman natin alam yung secret eh. Di gumawa tayo ng bago nating secret, di ba? Stir-fried lettuce with shimeji mushrooms and our secret sauce. So there you go. And just a little bit of sesame seeds. So again, another gulay recipe. Trying to be healthy. Wala pa tayo sa series ng medyo nakaka-cholesterol rich. Wala pa tayo doon. We're still trying to be healthy. So still few more episodes of vegetables to come. So here you go. It's a very simple dish. Iceberg lettuce with shimeji mushrooms and our secret sauce. See you here again at Kusina ni Mrs. O. Welcome ulit sa Kusina ni Mrs. O. So here, titikman lang natin with our secret sauce. Super. I love it. So it's still crunchy. Tapos parang yung sauce, yung secret sauce, it really just lingers. Then na-share ko na naman sa inyo. Half a cup of water, 1/4 cup of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Enjoy!